Good morning, 5th class children. We are doing second chapter activity book. Now open your activity book, page number 17, children. Do the following subtractions. Look here. Minus means subtractions. We already done in the workbook and in course book also, children. So start from the ones place. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 how much? 5. 1 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Get borrow. 7 becomes 6. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 11. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 4. 11 minus 7, 4. Next, 6 minus 8, again not possible, get borrow. 9 becomes 8, 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 16 have 2 8s. 8 2s are 16, 16 have 2 8s. We are subtracting 1 8. How many are remaining? Another 1 8 remaining. So 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. So no number in this place, so write it down 2. Next one. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 6, not possible, get borrow. 4 becomes 3, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. How much? 4. 3 minus 6. Again not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 6 how much? 7. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 also 7. 77,000. Sorry, 77 lakh 40,482. Next one. 4 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 14. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 5 how much? 9. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 4, not possible, get borrow. 3 becomes 2. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4. Count 4 after up to 12. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 4 how much? 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Again 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 20 lakhs 11,809. Next one. 2 minus 5. Not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 5 how much? 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 0 minus 9, not possible. Get borrow. 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 1. Next, no numbers are there to subtract. So, write it down those two numbers. So, 0, 5. Okay? Next, 0 minus 2. Not possible. Get borrow. Next place also have 0. Go to hundreds place. Here get 110. 3 becomes 2. Now we are borrowing hundreds place to tens place first. So here 0 becomes 10. 10 means 10 tens. Means we are borrowing 100 from 300s. So this means 10 tens. Again we are borrowing 110 here to ones place. So this 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. How much? 8. 9 minus 8. 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 0 minus 0. 0. 3 minus 8. Again borrow. 4 becomes 3. 3 becomes 30. 30 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 13. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 8, 5. Next, 3 minus 6. Not possible. Get borrow. 7 becomes 6. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6. Count 6 after up to 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Next, 6. No number is there to subtract. So, write it down the number in answer place. Next one. 6 minus 7. Not possible. Get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 16. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 16 minus 7? 9. 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3? 4. 2 minus 1? 1. 4 minus 4? 0. 2 minus 8? Not possible. Get borrow. 5 becomes 4. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 12. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 4. Next 4 minus 1, 3. So here no numbers are there to subtract. So write it down those two numbers. 9, 7. Suppose subtractions are there in your activity book in page number 17, children. Do those sums in your book. Next, fill in the missing numbers, children. The subtractions, some numbers are missing. You have to find out those numbers. Look here. How much minus 1 is 9? How much minus 1 is 9? 10 minus 1 is 9. So here you have to write 10. But this is a ones place digit. How can you write 2-digit number? We can't write. So write 0 here. 0 minus 1. Not possible. Get borrow. Next place also 0. Again go to hundreds place and get borrow. This 1 becomes 0. This 0 becomes 10. Again we are borrowing from 10. 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Next. 9 minus how much is 9? 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Next. 0 minus how much is 2? 0 minus how much? We don't know. So, get borrow from the next place again. This place have 0. Go to the next place. 9 becomes 8. This 0 becomes 10. Again we are borrowing from 10. 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus how much is 2? 10 minus 8 is 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Next 9 minus 0? 9. 9 minus 0? 9. 8 minus 7? 1. Next 1 minus 3? Not possible. You have to go to next place and get borrow. But there, what is the number there? We don't know. But you think we are borrowing 1 from there. This 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 how much? 11 minus 3, count 3 after up to 11. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Next, how much minus? So here no number is there to subtract, children. So here number you have to write in the answer place. So but here if there is 2, we will write 2. But here we borrowed 1 from this place. So that's why here write 3. Then this 3 becomes 2. So we will write this 2 in answer place. Okay children, like this you will do this sum. It is very easy, no need to borrow. So I am going to the next one children. So 4 minus how much is 3? 4 minus 1 is 3. Next 3 minus 9. Is it possible? No, get borrow. 8 becomes 7. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 13. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 9 how much? 4. Next 7 minus how much is 7? 7 minus 0 is 7. Next how much minus 6 is 5? 8 minus 6 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 5. No. 10 minus 6 is 5. No. 11 minus 6 is 5. Yes. But here this is, we have to write only one digit here. So write 1. 1 minus 6. It is not possible. Go to the next place and get borrow. Means this one becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 11 minus 6, 5. Here the remaining 3 place values doesn't have any numbers. So here answer is 0. 0 is given children. So here what is the number? We have to write 1. This one become, go to the borrow. So 1 becomes 0. So here we wrote 0 in the answer place. Next 4 minus, nothing is there. So write 4. Next how much is 2? 2. Okay. Next these two are also easy children. Next look this one. 1 minus how much is 0? 1 minus 1 is 0. Next how much minus 2 is 8? How much minus 2 is 8? 10 minus 2 is 8. So we can't write 10 here. So write 0. Get borrow. 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Next 4 minus 5. Not possible. Again get borrow. 1 becomes 0. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5. 9. 14 minus 5. 9. Count 5 after up to 14. So you will get answer 9. Next 0 minus 8. Not possible. Borrow. 7 becomes 6. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. 2. Next 6 minus 5. 1. So there are no numbers in the next place values. Write it down those numbers. 9 Next, remaining 2 I am going to explain. How much minus 9 is 8? How much minus 9 is 8? So 9 is the bigger number. So how much minus 9 is 8? 1 minus 9 is 8? No. 2 minus 9? No. How much minus 9 is 8, children, here? So here you have to borrow and write the number. Look here, children. If there is 7, 7 minus 9 is not possible. Go to the next place and get borrow. Next place also we don't know what is that number. But think we borrowed 70. 17 minus 9 is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Next, how much minus 5 is 9? 6 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 9. No. 8 minus 5? No. 9 minus 5? No. 10 minus 5? No. 11 minus 5? No. 12 minus 5? No. 13 minus 5? No. 14 minus 5? Yes. So, here you have to write 14. But this is a one digit number. So, write 4. And now, here we borrow now. So, write 5. 5 becomes 4. 1 time go to one's place and this 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So again go to the next place and get borrow. 3 becomes 2. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Next 2 minus 5 not possible. 7 becomes 6. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, how much? Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Next, 6 minus how much is 6? 6 minus 0 is 6. Next, how much minus 9 is 4? 10 minus 9? No, 11 minus 9. 12 minus 9, 13 minus 9, 13 minus 9 how much, children? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. But here we have to write only one digit. That is 3. So, we will go to the next place and get borrow. There is no number thing you are borrowing. So, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. So, here no numbers are there to subtract. What is the answer? 2. If here is 3, we borrowed 1. So, this becomes 2. So, 2 is in answer place. Next, the number 8. 8 is here. No number is there to subtract. So, here we think 8. So, 8, 2. Okay. Last one. How much minus 4 is 0? How much minus 4 is 0? If the two numbers are same, then we will get 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, how much minus 1 is 5? 6 minus 1 is 5. Next, how much, 2 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Go to the next place, get borrow. 2 becomes 1, this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7, count 7 after up to 12. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 12 minus 7, 5. Next, 1 minus how much is 0? 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, 0 minus how much is 6? 0 minus how much is 6? We don't know what is the number here. Now go to the next place and get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus how much is 6? 10 minus 4 is 6. Next, 1 minus 8. Not possible. Get borrow. So if the answer place have 7 in the left side, if here 8, we get borrowed 1 from this place to this place. Then this This 8 becomes 7 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 11. 8 after 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 8 how much? 3. So here no number to subtract. Write it down 7. 7 is there in the answer place. Like this children, you will do these 4 in your activity book. Okay.